Hey, it's me, Rob, and today I'm inside one of the gift shops on iDrive. This is the one that's connected to Murphy's Pub, and it's right down here across from the Buffalo Wild Wings and next to the Gator Golf. We're just going to take a peek around in here so y'all can see what's on offer here inside of one of these iDrive gift shops. We're in the back kind of corner of the store here to start, and as you can see, there's kind of a mix-up of product. Over here we got some Disney merchandise. I got some Mickey and Minnie dolls up here on the wall. Some bags, drawstring bags. Zip-up little coolers with different theming. You got Stitch and Grogu. SpongeBob, who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Looks like these are like $10, $9.99 for one of these. Mini backpacks. This looks like it's like a little lunch pail. $12 for a Hogwarts crest little lunch pail. Socks over here. Socks are going to run you $3. Of course, these are youth socks. These socks are for children. Sock Heroes, they're called. And then down here on the bottom, we got, I don't know if these are like pencil cases. Small little bags, they look kind of like what I would call a pencil case. And then some more tin lunch boxes over here. Mickey Mouse. Let's see how much one of these would be. No price. I can't imagine it would be very much money. Moving on over to some keychains. $5 for a keychain, or you could get 3 for $12. It's a pretty good deal if you're into the keychains. You got Elsa, Ariel. You got the two sisters here. Some Mickey plastic ones. Some more keychains here. And of course coffee mugs, because what's a gift shop without coffee mugs? I wonder how much one of these coffee mugs is going to run. I'm going to guess like $8. I'm not seeing a price. Not seeing a price on the coffee mug. So I don't know for sure. It's a little tight in here, I'll be honest with you. It's a little tight. Some of the stuff's kind of close together. We got a Buzz coffee mug here. Puzzles. More pencil cases. Some more tin boxes down here, like mini lunch boxes, I guess they would be. Wow, so they got these coffee mugs right here. They got these bad boys for $3. So if you need a couple coffee mugs and you want them to be themed, $3 for the coffee mug. Got some pins over here for $1.50. Take a look at a couple of these pins. Got Superman, Batman, Captain America, Spider-Man, Deadpool, Thor. They even got some action figures over here. Armored Spider-Man, black suit Spider-Man. Some piggy banks down here. I'm surprised those coffee mugs are so cheap. I mean, I need another coffee mug. Maybe I'll get one of these today. Who knows? Oh, these are cool up here. I didn't notice these. All right, we're gonna keep it moving. Over here, we got some sippers. Stitch themed, Anna themed, Elsa themed. I guess Frozen themed would be a more concise way to say that. These are kind of cool. They're like ice cream tumblers. 15 bucks for one of these. And this stuff moves here inside of it. These little beads. We got some stuffed animals over here. Or are these backpacks? They're backpacks. You can put them on your back. You can walk around with Stitch or Pooh. Or whoever this guy is right here. I don't know who that is. Looking at 25 bucks for one of these little backpack pals. That's kind of cool. Now this is where you could really get some savings. Is in these gift shops. They have pretty cheap t-shirts, $15 or 2 for $25. Let's take a look at a couple of these. Yeah, pretty generic, like welcome to Orlando t-shirts. That one kind of looks like the Hard Rock logo. You got one here with a flag on it. They got tank tops and stuff over here too. So if you're looking for some Orlando gear on the cheap, these gift shops are the place to do it. If you forgot your swim trunks, I'm sure most of these gift shops would have swim trunks in them as well. Then of course the shot glasses, just like the coffee mugs. You know, what's a gift shop without shot glasses? Towels for 15. I don't know how much towels are regularly. I am a bald guy and I do buy hats. I know you can get hats at the Walgreens for like 10 bucks. Well, if you want a little nicer hat, you can come in here. A lot of these starting at $15 for these hats. And almost all of them have something to do with Florida or Orlando. A couple of them are bedazzled. Look at this. OMG. I would wear that hat. I would. I'm not going to buy it. I'm just saying I would wear it. Visors and other hats over here. T-shirts for adults on clearance for $2 a pop. I mean, you can't beat that price. $2. It doesn't even matter if the shirt's ugly, really. It's only $2. I mean, I would buy this one. Ooh, and this thing moves. I'll tell you what. I would buy this one. I'd get a few of those. For $2, I might buy 3 or 4 of them. To be honest with you. $13 t-shirts over here. Stitch, Mickey Mouse. A lot of Stitch stuff in here. More towels. T-shirts. So this is what I was saying about some of the Disney merch and stuff. You can get you a Toy Story t-shirt from Pixar. You can get you a Grumpy t-shirt from one of the 7 Dwarves. You can pick this up here for 15 bucks. You go to Disney Springs or you go to Disney itself and you try to get one of these, it's probably going to run you 30 to 35. Looks like it's kind of more of the same up here as far as the t-shirts are concerned. Some crew necks, shot glasses, flasks, crocodile head, probably gator. I don't know if there's really crocs in Florida. I'm also not an animal guy, so yeah, it looks like kind of more of the same up front here. $14.99 for these t-shirts here, 2 for $25. Waiting for my letter from Hogwarts. A Harry Potter t-shirt. This will run you $9. Something like that at the parks. You're talking, again, probably $35. Some mugs, some other stuff here on display near the windows. So yeah, suitcases. In case you need to buy an extra one because you got too much merch, which I know does happen to a lot of the international guests. Here's a Harry Potter ceramic mug. Looks a little something like this. This is actually really nice. $23. This is a really nice mug. I'm not surprised to see it be that high price. There's the Gringotts Bank thing here. I don't know if this is like a piggy bank. It is. There's like a Gringotts piggy bank thing here. That'll run you 30 bucks. Spend some money to start saving some money, you know? Same thing with these golden snitches. They're also piggy banks. Those are pretty cool. I'm gonna guess they're around the same price. 25, yeah. And a Hedwig mug down here. R.I.P. Hedwig. All right, so that's just a quick tour through one of these gift shops on International Drive down here in Florida. If you're on vacation, you're just looking to pick up a little trinket for one of your friends or something, make sure you stop into one of these, save you a little money. And there's all sorts of little goodies in here. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you next time.